This is Lesson 2 on page 25, using custom graphic elements.
In this lesson, you will create text boxes and pull quotes, add word art to a document, draw shapes, and add complex illustrations by using smart art. In addition to robust image processing capabilities, Word also includes extensive drawing and graphics capabilities. Custom graphic elements enable you to position text boxes at any location or orientation in your document and add a wide variety of shapes. WordArt adds visual appeal to headings, and SmartArt automates the creation of structured diagrams within your document. All of these can be combined to create striking documents. So first in topic A, we start with creating text boxes and pull quotes. Text boxes and pull quotes enable you to set off text from the rest of your document. Text boxes can be used to help you organize the content on a page, to keep information all on a specific page, add an annotation to a chart or image, or place text in a specific location in the document. A text box is a Word object that enables you to place text anywhere in your document. Text boxes can be resized to meet your needs. You can format the text and graphics within the text box as you would any other text or graphics. The text box itself can also be formatted with background colors and borders if desired, and you can wrap text around a text box. If you were creating a simple text box in your document, you place your cursor where you want to insert. Go to your Insert tab in your text command group, and here we have our text box drop down. You can see we have the option of a simple text box here. Click, and you can see, even though I had my cursor positioned at the beginning of the paragraph, it's going to drop it just at the top center of your document, of your first page, wherever you're located. But you just go ahead and type whatever text you want located in there. When you have your text box selected, you'd get your Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab, where you can go ahead and edit the text and the background color by choosing your shape fill. Then you have your text color that you can choose. So you have a whole bunch of different options that you can assign here. But you can move this, just click and drag to place the text box wherever you want located. You have your same layout options that you have for your different images, your charts, all of the different objects that you place in your document. Okay, so that's a simple text box. Last week we saw that we can also draw text boxes in our document as well. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. Insert tab, text box drop down. You have the option to draw a text box. So you can size it, type your text in there, and you get excuse me, that same Drawing Tools Format Contextual tab for formatting your background and your text. Now, from the Insert Text Box drop down, you have some other options for pull quotes and sidebars. You can see I have an Austin quote here, Austin sidebar. I have different quotes and sidebars here. If you have text that you want to emphasize or use as a teaser, you can copy and place the text in a predefined type of text box referred to as a pull quote. I'm going to go ahead and insert the Austin quote. And this is for, sometimes you'll see that a sentence that is actually in the body of your document also appears in what we call a pull quote. I'm going to delete this one. And the pull quote is used to just grab the reader's attention. So again, it's still in the body of the document, but you can see it kind of pulls you in. That's why they call it a pull quote. Pulls you in to read the actual body of the document. And a sidebar, see Austin sidebar, this is going to go to the right-hand side of your whatever page you're located on, and this is for supplemental information. So you have the main body of your document, but maybe you want to add, like, a definition or something like that. You can add oops, supplemental information in your sidebar. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. Pull quotes pull you in to grab your attention. Sidebar give you supplemental information. So think SS, sidebar, supplemental. Pull quote, pull you in. That's how you can remember the difference between those two. All right.
Our next video will be activity 2.1 on page 29.